Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a comprehensive insurance database with EverQuote, complete guide step by step clearly. To build a comprehensive insurance database with EverQuote, start by signing up for an account on their website. Once registered, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to locate essential features quickly. Begin by choosing the insurance categories you want to focus on, such as auto, home, or life insurance. Research and compile a list of the top insurance providers in your selected categories. Visit the EverQuote marketplace to access provider information and reviews. Use filters to narrow down your search based on coverage types and customer ratings. Collect contact details for each insurance provider, including phone numbers and websites. Create a spreadsheet to organize this information into categories for easy reference. Next, gather data on each provider's policy offerings. Look for unique selling points, such as discounts or specialized services each provider offers. Document any available customer testimonials or feedback to enhance your data. As you compile this information, ensure it's accurate and up to date. Consider reaching out to insurance providers directly for any additional insights. Once your data collection is complete, begin categorizing it in your database. Use headings such as provider name, contact information, policy types, and customer ratings. Be consistent in your format to maintain clarity and ease of use. Add relevant tags to each entry for quick searching later. Start analyzing the data to identify trends and patterns in insurance offerings. This analysis will help consumers make informed decisions when shopping for insurance. Review and update your database regularly to ensure it remains a reliable resource. Finally, consider creating visual representations of your data, such as charts or graphs. This can enhance understanding and engagement when presenting your findings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.